Hey guys, welcome to my channel on LeetCoder. If you guys are new here, I pretty much do LeetCode style questions and explain things in the simplest way possible. So today we have an amazing video, guys. So let's get into it, right? So we all know that LeetCode, man, is a very good platform, right? Especially when it comes to leveling up your skill set relating to data structures and algorithms, right? Especially to get ready for the interviews, guys. So we all know the community on LeetCode is one of the best communities on any platform right now. You can go as far as saying that this is LeetCode's biggest asset, right? The community that it has, guys. So I'm saying is unlike any other that I've seen before, and one of LeetCode's strongest assets. That's what I'm saying, like very strong community there that's always willing to help each other. I'm saying always willing to help people. And this is what I really admire about the community on LeetCode, man. They really go out their way to really help others. I'm saying when it comes to so there's a lot of articles that have been posted on LeetCode, right? We're talking about by users every day. I'm saying some of them are good, some of them are bad, right? There's a lot of trolls. Sometimes they're trolls, sometimes there are some really hidden gems in there, right? So this is pretty much what I've gathered around for you guys, right? I'm saying there's a lot of guides and resources that people are posting there every single day to help others. I'm saying so. Today I've gathered my top 5 favorite LeetCode articles, right, posted by users like you and I. I'm saying to help each other, right? So those articles have helped me in my journey and doing LeetCode. I'm saying like leveling up my skills, especially in those hard concepts, guys. You'll see my favorite topics, my favorite articles, they all cover the advanced topics. So I'm saying so this is why I picked them, because I know they're gonna help a lot of others who may have trouble learning and doing those hard level concepts. So I'm saying so yeah, so without further ado, guys, we're gonna start something easy. So at number 5, guys, we're gonna have the sliding window, right? So but this guy I know is gonna be part of my a lot of my top 5s. You guys will see that. I'm saying so you guys will see what's up, right? So you see that on the sliding window, right? He has the different templates, right, for all the kind of different variations of the sliding window. I'm saying so we get the we get the static sliding window, the dynamic sliding window. So he takes into account all of those things, guys, and kind of grouped the different questions. So I'm saying so you can kind of have a template, guys. Well, as you do the different sliding window prompts, you'll see that a lot of them are very much alike, guys, just slight modifications to them, right? But we all know that they'll follow constantly the same template. What I'm saying, so this is good to this is a good idea that you need to start doing in your LeetCode journey, right? Be able to group things together and have a template for particular types of problem, right? So you can kind of reduce that computational processing stuff, right, in your brain when you see the different problems, right? Especially in the interview settings, guys. What I'm saying, you want to use your brain capacity and I'm saying computational power, I'm saying efficiently. I'm saying so by having a template now, you pretty much kind of save yourself a lot of the thinking that's needed. I'm saying so I highly recommend this this article, guys, made by this guy. It's a very good post, right? It's gonna get you ready, especially for the sliding window problems that you gonna encounter in the interviews and stuff like that, right? So, and to help you be able to solve unseen sliding window problem once you really get the pattern down pat, guys, by doing a bunch of problems and getting better, guys. That's how you get better, by doing a bunch of problems on a particular topic, and you increase that muscle, what I'm saying, and then you get better over time, guys. So that's how it is, guys. So at number 4, guys, we're gonna have a great one, guys. So this one is going to be the backtracking one, right? So I know that a lot of you guys probably seen that if you guys have attempted to solve any backtracking problem, right? Especially the beginner backtracking problem. We're talking about the subsets, the permutations, right? Things like that, right? Things like that kind of really helps us in starting to understand backtracking, right? So you need to make sure you understand those kind of problems at first, right? You know what I'm saying that's why he has laid them out, guys. He shows us everything, right? The different functions, how they're working together, right? And then you see all the different questions, right? How similar they are, guys. I'm saying even though the constraint changes, right? But they're very, very similar still, right? Shows that they're more similar than they are different, guys. So they're very similar, right? So you see how when the constraint changes, the code changes as well, and the protocol, you can kind of correlate that between I'm saying. And yeah, so this is a very, very good way that you put it, and kind of really helps us and kind of an idea of what's going on, right? So another thing that I probably would have add to this post, right? Probably add something like a diagram, right, to kind of help people to visualize things, things are going right, like a state space. Saying this decision tree diagram, so that beginners can actually understand like how things are going on and how the different states are going, stuff like that, right? This will be helpful for a lot of beginners. But this, by doing this, man, you should be in pretty good shape after, and be more confident in doing backtracking problem, guys. So I highly, highly recommend that. So at number 3, guys, we have a dynamic programming one, right? So you guys already know dynamic programming, one of the hardest concepts, right? So this is a very good one, guys, made by this guy again, right? It's a very good one. I highly recommend it because there's a lot going on here, right? So he goes over pretty much all of the different kind of topic that you need to cover to kind of feel confident with the dynamic programming, right? So we got the longest anchoring subsequence variants, right? All the different variants that they have, right? The longest common subsequence variants, right? The palindromes, the coin change, right? The matrix ones, right? Which is very, very important, guys, right? State space, pretty much every single kind of type of dynamic programming that you might encounter, guys. So going through this list is really, really gonna get you up to speed. And it also not only give you the sets of questions, guys, it also gives you the templates, guys, to solve all of those different section, right, topics, right? So you see for the longest increasing subsequence, right, the template kind of normally looks like this, right? You initialize your array, and then you get this double for loop, right? And you check if this is greater than this, right? And then the LIS, right? So I'll be using a lot of those different things on this channel, guys. So I'm just giving you guys a sneak peek into what to expect in this channel, right? We're gonna be using all these articles, guys, to kind of help us level up in our skill set, especially in dynamic programming, backtracking, graphs, and all those high-level concepts, guys. So to really get us in really good shape, guys, right? So at number 2, guys, the 2 is gonna be a graph problem, right? Graph. I've started a graph playlist, guys, so I'm gonna be using this a lot, guys, right? So right now he pretty much gives us problems related to union find, and gives us a template, right, that can helps us pretty much all of those different kind of questions, guys. So all those questions are very, very similar in concept, right? And the implementation is pretty much the same, right? Just minor tweaks, right? Minor modification to the template to solve the different question, but they're all the same, guys, right? That's what you guys need to understand, right? And then it goes over DFS, right? And then he further broke down the DFS into smaller subsection, right? So you see start DFS from nodes at boundaries, right? So those are the questions that relate to that, right? And then going through this, man, really gets you up to speed. You see all the different types, different kind of thinking and logic that exists, right? So that really helps you out a lot, guys. I'm saying you could see DFS from each node, from unvisited node item problems, right? So you could see all the different things, guys. So pretty much this guy, those people on LeetCode have done the hard work for us, right, by grinding a lot of LeetCode and pretty much find the underlying pattern between all those different problems, right, and correlating everything together, so that, and then organizing it in a way so that people like you and I could benefit from that, right, and get better, guys. So this is why LeetCode, man, is one of the best platforms that I'm saying really, really changes lives, guys. Not even joking, like a joke, but it does, guys. I'm saying we got a topological sort, we got all of those different things, guys. So right now, the last thing that we're gonna do, guys, is definitely the dynamic programming pattern. So you're probably seeing you've already done one on dynamic programming, right? I know, but this one is number 1, guys. Is the most probably voted post out of on LeetCode, my ad, right? And deserving so, guys, because, guys, this person went through a lot. details, guys. He put a lot of details down, and pretty much to make sure that you understand everything that's going on, guys. Pretty much he goes over the approach, how to approach things, how to go from top down to bottom up, right? What I'm saying, go from what I'm saying brute force to to optimize by doing bottom up, right? Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, it goes over, and yeah, it's pretty good, man. It's very detailed, right? So if you guys go through these sets of problems, guys, at the end of that, you guys will be master of DP, guys. You guys will be extremely good and equipped with the tools that are needed to solve a lot of those DP questions, guys. So in the interview setting, if you encounter an unknown DP problem, right? If it's not too hard, right, you might be able to pull through. What I'm saying, that's what I'm saying by going through that, right? So I'll be going through all those things on this channel together. So I'm gonna be we're all gonna be learning. We're gonna be improving and getting better and leveling up our skill set as it relates to dynamic programming, guys. Graph and backtrack, all of those different kind of problems, guys. We're pretty good. We feel pretty confident in that. We're not gonna be scared at all. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, guys. If you guys found value, make sure to give me a like. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe, guys, because I'll be doing a lot of other videos just like this one. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.